Ever wondered how you could streamline your business expenses, especially those pesky ride-sharing costs? Maybe you've thought, does Expensify integrate with Uber? Well, let's dive right in and find out. Expensify, a popular expense management tool, has revolutionized the way businesses handle receipts and reimbursements. It automates the process, saving time and reducing errors. But what about those Uber rides? Are they easily integrated into your expense reports? While Expensify doesn't have a direct, seamless integration with Uber, it's not entirely impossible to track and reimburse Uber expenses. Here's how you can approach it. Manual entry. The old-school way, this method involves manually entering your Uber ride details into Expensify. You'll need to input the date, amount, and a brief description. The pain points: while simple, manual entry can be time-consuming and prone to human error. It's also less efficient than an automated solution. Third-party integrations. Leveraging partnerships, some third-party apps and services can help bridge the gap between Expensify and Uber. These tools often use APIs to extract ride information and automatically populate expense reports. The pros and cons: while this method offers a more streamlined approach, it may require additional setup and potentially incur extra costs. Tips for managing Uber expenses in Expensify. Save your receipts. Keep your digital or physical Uber receipts. They can be useful for reference and verification purposes. Categorize your expenses. When manually entering Uber expenses, assign them to the appropriate category, such as transportation or client entertainment. Use Expensify's mobile app. The Expensify mobile app allows you to snap photos of receipts, including Uber receipts, and submit them directly from your phone. Explore Expensify's features. Take advantage of Expensify's features like Smart Scan, which can automatically extract information from receipts, including potential Uber expenses. The future of expense management. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more seamless integrations between expense management tools like Expensify and ride-sharing services like Uber. In the meantime, by understanding the current limitations and utilizing the available workarounds, you can effectively manage your Uber expenses within Expensify. While a direct integration between Expensify and Uber may not be available today, you can still efficiently track and reimburse your Uber expenses. By combining manual entry, third-party integrations, and smart use of Expensify's features, you can streamline your expense management process and save time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.